Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Fat Free Life, and today I'm going to make a very healthy chocolate pancake recipe, and it goes well with the breakfast or with the dinner, as nowadays we have to cook very quickly for our breakfast or our dinner, as we have very less amount of time. So it's a very nice recipe and a healthy recipe for your breakfast. And for this recipe you need few ingredients, and they are very easily available at your home. So these are the dry ingredients and these are the wet ingredients, and this is a vegetable oil, a cooking oil which you need for this recipe. This is the your wheat flour. You can even use maida for this, white flour, but as I always cook a very healthy version of the recipe, so I'm taking wheat flour. This is the coca, this is the jaggery, which is also called as gur in India. It is a very great alternative to your sugar, and that is the salt. This is a pink Himalayan salt, the baking soda, and this is the yogurt, that is also called as curd, and this is the plain milk, fat free milk you can take. This is the vanilla essence. You can use any essence. Vanilla goes well with this. You can even have Amul butter if you like, but I don't prefer Amul butter. I always prefer Nutrilite butter, that is having very less calories than your regular Amul butter. So what we have to do, we just have to take a bowl and we'll start mixing everything. So this is a wheat flour I am taking here, and we always try to make the healthiest version of the normal recipes. You just have to add some amount of baking soda to this. Now I'm adding some this is the pink Himalayan salt. It is having lots of nutrient in it, and this is the alternative of the refined processed sugar. I'm using a jaggery here. You can have according to your taste. I'm using it in a very less quantity. You can have more also. And this is the curd I'm using here, 3 spoons of curd, nearly in a bowl of wheat flour. Now I'm adding in a few drops of vanilla essence. You can even take 1 spoon, and I'm adding some milk like this. I'm just mixing everything, then I'll see how much milk I need for this recipe. So like this, just mix everything together, and if you want, you can have a butter. Otherwise just go for vegetable oil. You can add little bit of oil if you want in your recipe. As the consistency of the mix is very thick, I'm adding a little bit of milk to this. Now I'll see, it should be a great consistency of the mix to make the pancakes, as I'll show you now. Now mix everything together till it become a homogeneous mixture like this. Now just take a flat pan and add few drops of vegetable oil, or you can even add Nutrilite butter to this and just scrape the oil all over the flat pan. Now I'll just put one pancake, and this pancake is without the cocoa powder, and I'll show you. You can add now cocoa powder to this after adding everything according to your choice, how much brown or the chocolate consistency you want, color. And now I'm adding everything together, so like this. Mix it well. Let me add little bit of milk also, because it is still thick like this. Now the mixture is perfect for making your pancake. It should be like this. It should not be very thick, not be very liquid. In between consistency is required for making it. So now this is the pan. Now I'll just make a pancake like this as you make the chilas. So a small size I'll make like this, and now we'll just wait for a few minutes and it will be ready to flip. So now we'll just wait and watch. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. See, now it's ready to flip, just like this, and just flip it. Yes, you can see it will become little bit brown, so it is cooked. You don't have to cook it for long. It becomes very fast. It's a very easy and a quick recipe. You can see how it is. Very nice golden brown in color. And this is the pancake with one is without the cocoa and one is with the cocoa. Now I'll make another pancake with the help of butter. You can just use little bit of butter to make this, and like earlier, just spread a pancake batter over the pan, and again it will take few minutes like this. As you can see, my pancakes are ready. I'll show you how soft I have made them. Now you can see you'll feel like a cake only, as if we feel in the cake. They are very soft and spongy. I'll show you. See, like this, you just press them and you'll come to know. See, they are very soft and spongy. You can have them as an evening snack also. They are very easy to grab. Just make them and keep it in the container. Anytime you can have them. And I just put maple syrup over it, or you can even add honey. It's easily available at home. So now you can see my pancakes are ready and they are looking so delicious. So if you like my video, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and just keep coming back to see such healthy recipes, and enjoy your fat-free life, as we need to have a low calorie diet or low calorie food to make ourselves healthy. And hi guys, I am Neelam, and you can watch my channel since starting. You will find so many healthy recipes here. Just comment down below in the comment section which kind of recipes you want. I'll make such recipes for you. And thank you so much for watching my channel and my videos, and you can visit my website www.fat